This dish is called lunch. Got some cod, ginger, and roasted garlic. I have a bunch of chili crisp and soy. Let's do lunch. Pan, avocado oil, boom. We're almost done. My cod is broken. Not my heart, my cod. Okay, salt and pepper the other side. Stir that up real quick. Just gonna drop in the ginger. Just kind of just doing this dirty today. Like, it is what it is. This is my lunch. Fish spatula, you need one of these guys. These are great, so your fish doesn't get broken, even though mine's already broken. I'm just dropping in a little butter. It's my lunch. Flip it. It's just kind of cooking on top of the ginger and the garlic. Magic. I'm just pouring it all in. Shit. I don't care. It's just like pickled sushi ginger. Seriously. Yum. Smells killer. You smell it? See, bubble, coil, trouble. I'll do one more flip. This guy's good to go. So this is a great date night dish. Look, I didn't really do anything, but it appears that way, like I did something. Hold on. I like sauce, so turbo saucing it up. I got some fresh cilantro. Got some sesame seeds. Date night fish dish, also known as my lunch.